Our element was hexavalent chromium. The chemical formula is Cr plus 6. Its electronegativity is 1.66. It's commonly used in leather tanning and the creation of pigments. Because hexavalent chromium is just chromium in its valent state, the molar mass is the same as chromium. Therefore, the molar mass is 51.9961 grams per mole. The ppb is 10.1. There's 10.1 grams per billion liters of water. Therefore, there is 1.01 to the negative 8th power grams of chromium per liter. If there are 10.1 to the negative 8th power grams of hexavalent chromium in 1 liter of water, then there is 0.007646538 grams of hexavalent chromium in a 20,000 gallon tower of water. On the left is the Lewis dot structure, and chromium can have a quintuple bond.
Here are some properties of hexavalent chromium. The melting point is 1,907 degrees Celsius, while the boiling point is 2,672 degrees Celsius. Chromium is a lustrous, brittle, hard metal. Its color is silver gray and can be highly polished. It does not tarnish in air. When heated, it bonds and forms the green chromatic oxide. The most effective way to remove hexavalent chromium from drinking water is with an ion exchange water treatment unit. The technology relies on tiny beads of gel-like resin packed into columns. As the chromium-laced water travels through the treatment unit, hexavalent chromium ions cling to the resin beads, getting removed from the water in the process. Water is imported to Antelope Valley through the Water Treatment Project, then treated at AVEK's Quartz Hill Water Treatment Plant and Eastside Water Treatment Plant. This supply is supplemented by groundwater pumped from the Antelope Valley Groundwater Basin by approximately 50 wells owned and operated by the district. Chromium is a metallic element found in rocks, soils, plants, and animals. My conclusion is, since water is collected from multiple groundwater wells and chromium is found in rocks and soils, the element must be coming from wells from the Antelope Valley Groundwater Basin. Since there are approximately 50 wells supplying the district, it is nearly impossible to find a specific source of the contaminant. The average oral lethal dose of chromium in humans is 1 to 3 grams. Lung cancer is the most serious long-term effect. Adverse health effects associated with exposure include occupational asthma, eye irritation and damage, perforated eardrums, respiratory irritation, kidney damage, liver damage, pulmonary congestion and edema, upper abdominal pain, nose irritation and damage, respiratory cancer, skin irritation, and erosion and discoloration of the teeth. Some workers can also develop an allergic skin reaction called allergic contact dermatitis, shown above. This occurs from handling liquids or solids containing chromium, such as cement. Although we discussed an ion exchange water treatment unit, it is not the most practical way to remove chromium from water. Renee Short recommends using reverse osmosis filters instead, many of which have been certified to remove hexavalent chromium along with other contaminants. Reverse osmosis filters are affordable and easy for consumers to find at their local hardware store. For workplace safety, it is important to minimize contact and wear appropriate protective gear. To find out how many grams of hexavalent chromium are in an 8-ounce glass of tap water, we must first find our equation. Since we are going from moles to weight, we will multiply moles by the molar mass of chromium. Now that we know the grams of chromium in 1 liter of water, we must find how much chromium is in 1 ounce of water. We do this by dividing our previous number by 33.814. Now that we know how much chromium is in 1 ounce of water, we must find out how many are in 8 ounces of tap water. We do this by multiplying our previous number by 8.